Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dan, back with day 455 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we have.
Rare.
Starting with rare. 25 power points.
Rare.
Two rare. With 50 coins.
Rare.
Still rare. 50 coins again. So an alright opening. Again, at least the majority was in power points there. But as for today, we still have the Mega Pig creeping up, as well as Knockout 5v5, but nothing else too special going on. I guess I should also mention that Duels is here, but again, I'm just not a big fan of Duels. Maybe you guys enjoy it though. We have a look in the shop. We finally have the Dread Knight Draco offer, but first, let's claim the last reward on the track of the Sushi for All event, which looks to end today as well. So if you haven't claimed any of the rewards, make sure to hop in, and you should just be able to claim all of them right away if you haven't claimed any yet. But we have 500 coins and a spray, so not too shabby. So again, Dread Knight Draco here looks to be what I assume is a legendary skin, but it's also at full price, so you're essentially only getting 2 additional random star drops with it. So again, instead of getting additional star drops, I would definitely try and wait until it comes at a discount. But so let me just try and verify quick. That's not even in the catalog yet, but again, at that price point, I have a very strong feeling it would be legendary skin. Again, maybe it's not in the catalog because they're considering it a Halloween skin, so it might only come out seasonally. But again, even those tend to come out at a discount the next year and so on. So I'm definitely probably gonna wait on that, even though it is a rather cool looking skin. So we also have Hot Rod Brock and Lavish Lola at 50% off. But again, you could potentially get them for free with bling or in star drops, so it's really just up to you guys if you want them. Then we have a resource offer of XP doublers. We have a daily freebie at 10 power points as well as 15 coins, but not really too much going on here today. So as of today, I have 2,086 XP doublers and 97,062 power points. So again, let me know if you guys plan on purchasing either just Dread Knight Draco or the entire offer, but other than that, let's see if I can take this, guys.